Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the city of Edinburgh. Today is the 8th of November and I'm taking the drone back up to take a look around Edinburgh Christmas a week before the official opening date here in Edinburgh, and I can't wait until this place is fully opened. But we're going to take a look around. Before we have a look around this area, I want to show you the Edinburgh Christmas tree, which is currently being set up just now by these guys. Let's go over and have a wee look. This year is always in the same place every single year, and they're currently doing the Christmas tree light right now. They're putting the lights around it. Fantastic, absolutely fantastic. She's making sure it's in the right place, making sure the guys are doing their job. Anyway, it's officially 1 week before the Christmas market opens. This is where we are just now. I did do a video last week, and this is your up-to-date video. Things have came along. The lights are on. The big wheel, Scott Monument area, is still waiting till the end of Sunday Remembrance, which is currently obviously ongoing just now. Remembrance Garden, just here. So that won't happen until after Sunday. And then you have the big wheel just here. Okay, stall wise, let's have a look at the stalls. Right, one thing I have noticed is no 𝐎𝐓𝐇𝐄𝐑. Yeah, there's no position for that this year. So have they changed it this year? Have they got rid of the 𝐎𝐿𝐇𝐄𝐑? Or have they moved it to another location? Quite interesting. You've got some food trucks here that people have put in place. Salt and chili chicken making a return. That's there every year. Let's see what the prices are this year though, eh? And they've got a wee area here though. I don't know what this is going to be. Maybe a viewing area for the sign. The Edinburgh Christmas sign. It's hard to tell. It's hard to tell. Another area there. Another wee area there. So they'll probably have some sculptures there, I'm guessing. And over here, we've got the other part of the Christmas market. Work's still going on. So that'll be a mixture between food and souvenir shops. And there's still a lot more to be put in. Probably this back area will have a lot more stalls. I'm guessing this place here is crepes. Always crepes in this corner. But we'll see what the prices are like when it happens. But as I say, they have improved since last week in getting more things up. A week to go. They never open on time. I've came up here on opening day nearly every single year, and they never open on the time they say they're going to open. It's usually late afternoon, like 3, 4 o'clock. Last year it was 5 o'clock, when it was meant to open at 3 o'clock. But just another bit of information for you guys. Making a return this year is the domes. Yep, right on top of Princess Street Mall. The return of the domes are coming back. Don't know when. I read on the Cass Smugglers website that they are coming back, but they're running behind. It should have been up in October. But this area here is dead. Totally dead. This used to be obviously bars and all that here, some music, outdoor music areas. Completely disappeared this year. I don't know what's happening with that. But you can see here where they used to be, there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 domes looking at that view there. So they would see the view like that. So I don't know how much they're going to be, but I know they're quite expensive and you've got to pay a deposit. But yeah, you've got the beautiful Scots Monument. Down here you've got the beautiful Garden of Remembrance. A lot of people do say that it is not nice to have that during the setup, and I don't know, obviously time they have to get everything up for Edinburgh Christmas, but you know what I mean, I get what you're saying. It is a wee bit disrespectful. So yeah, you got in that shot you've got the beautiful Edinburgh Castle, and you've got the Christmas Market. So let's go and take a look at the west side of Edinburgh. Let's climb a wee bit, make sure we clear the trees. Let's head over to the fun fair side. Now this area over here, next to the Ross Fountain, will be the area for the fun fair. The same as every year. As I said, they're split up between 4 areas. So you've got East Princess Street, West Princess Street, George Street, which is here, and then you've got St Andrew's Square, which we'll take a look after this. But you've got the beautiful Edinburgh Castle. It is a dull day today. The weather is really, really bad. Now, Taylor's Amusements, or Taylor's Fun Fair, will be making a return. They've already started to set up. You can see here, it is closed off now to the public. And Taylor's Amusements will be returning here one day after the 15th. So the 16th, this will be opening. So this area here will be your, a few different things this year. There you go, some rides there, some rides set up already. And then you'll have some stalls, there's more rides there. I wonder what that one's going to be. Absolutely fantastic. And then if I look down, right underneath Ross Fountain. Ross Fountain's been switched off, I believe. It looks like there's no water coming from it. No, there is. I tell a lie, there is water from Ross Fountain. Oh, there's still people there, but they have closed this bit off. Or have they? I don't know. I don't know. Everything's all different every single year. Right, let's head over to George Street. Let's have a wee peek at George Street. So this will be where the ice rink will be. Lots of bars this area. This is the Newtown area of Edinburgh. Nothing happening yet. Oh, wait there. They've put some stuff down. Yeah. So they blocked it off. I think yesterday they stopped the traffic and they're currently setting up. Yeah. So George Street is currently being set up just now. Probably to this point here. Oh no, they're doing it over here too. So it's from, you've got Castle Street right underneath me here, and then George Street all the way to St Andrew's Square, just along there. As I say, lots of bars and restaurants. There you go. That'll be the ice bar this year, and the indoor or cover up ice rink. So it will have a roof. So basically it won't affect the weather if it's raining. I prefer an uncover ice rink. And I used to love the ice rink along here in St Andrew's Square. But they changed it, unfortunately. So we're going to go over and have a look. Beautiful, eh? The dome has its Christmas lights up as well. I will be doing a video on the dome. But Christmas at the Dome is a beautiful sight. Very hard to book a seat in there. It's always filled up quickly. And we have St Andrew's Square. Now the return of the maze is happening here. The maze will be returning, the Christmas tree maze will be returning. Now there's been a lot of comments lately regarding the charity that used to have this area where they could raise money. Now Santa Stories is here also. But the maze has never been here. It's usually at the fun fair area. And they're doing some work there just now. Putting in the, I'm guessing, the start of the maze. You've got Paddington there also. But yeah, there's been a bit of people moaning about it, saying that they're not doing a lot for the charity this year. So I'm going to look into it a bit more. But yeah, I have no idea what's going on, why they've been kicked out. Or if they've been kicked out. A lot of people saying they've been kicked out for the tree maze, so I don't know. I'll go this area here. Paddington, no, Paddington's gone. Paddington is away, ladies and gentlemen. Paddington is not there anymore. That's unfortunate. It looks like this area here is going to be the tree maze. And you've obviously got some coffee place there, which will stay open. Yeah, I don't know where Santa Stories is going to be. But, as I say, we're more interested in this area. This is the main Christmas market, and as you can see, work is not finished, but currently construction is ongoing. Let me know in the comments what you think. Let me know if you will be visiting Edinburgh Christmas during the season, or during the time it opens. Let me know what you're looking forward to. As I say, I've been told to take my drone footage. I'm like, no, that's just, I'm not going to take my drone through the... that's a nice wee picture there. Oh, I like that. I like that picture. Anyway, let me know what you think about the opening of the Christmas market. As I say, the tree's going up. The signs no anywhere to be seen just now. You've got the beautiful Edinburgh Castle, and as I say, we're 1 week before the opening. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. It's completely free, and I do a lot more videos during the Christmas period and throughout Edinburgh, throughout the year in Edinburgh. And I've got some food videos also coming your way, so make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.